Alright guys, well, welcome to Dice Media TV once again. Today I'm going to teach you how to mine STARCOIN. Before we start, kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, I'll be leaving the WhatsApp group link in the description box. Kindly join us on WhatsApp too, because I'll be giving some giveaways on our WhatsApp platform. So kindly try as much as possible to join our WhatsApp group too when you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Alright, so I'll be leaving the referral link of this STARCOIN project in the description box. When you tap on the referral link, it will redirect you to your browser, any browser that you are using. It will redirect you there. So what you have to do now is to scroll to this side where you can see the register by email. Then you type in your email. So mine is dicecrypto@gmail.com. Alright, so your password, after you type in your email, after you enter your password with Digit, kindly add one capital letter, one small letter, otherwise it won't work. Then you go to login or sign up. So right after you are done, kindly come to this symbol, the 100 symbol here. So when you tap on it, it will ask you to download the STARCOIN app. I am having it already, that's why it is asking me to download file again. So mine, I am having it already, so I won't download it. I will just cancel. When you finish downloading the app and you open your account on the app, you will get 50 star, which is equivalent to 50 USDT. So 1 star is equivalent to 1 USDT. Alright, so kindly put that in mind. I'm going to log into my original account and you will see how to so I'm going to log into my original account and continue the next process there. Alright, so now there's my original account. So you can see that accumulated operation is 80 days. This place you can see the accumulated operation is 80 days, means I started mining 80 days ago. So if you want to upgrade your mining speed, you have to refer other people to join this project. So you can go to the upgrade here and it will load. When it loads, you copy your link. So where you see the copy link, just copy your link and share for others to register, and your mining speed will go high. Please, this mining project is not automatic. You have to, it has a time it goes off and you have to restart mining it again. So I think it's every 8 hours, or you study it yourself. So it has a time it cuts, so you just have to run it again. So when you open it on the app, you'll be seeing some run here. So when you open it on your app, you'll be seeing some run here. Just run it and you'll be seeing in operation. In operation means it's mining the STARCOIN. So when the STARCOIN finish operation, you'll see that they will write run here again. So thank you very much for being with Dice Media TV. Don't forget to join us on our WhatsApp group. I'll be giving some giveaways there. And also kindly subscribe to the channel. Please keep this in mind. Airdrop 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any amount for any airdrop. Also keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed. Lastly, do your own research before joining any airdrop. Kindly subscribe to the channel.